world, millions of bottles are collected every single day.
Millions of households separate plastic bottles for recycling every week, making residential collection the first step toward bins. Retail stores generate enormous amounts of recyclable plastic every day, making commercial collection an essential payday. Public recycling stations encourage communities to keep valuable plastic materials out of landfills.
Businesses also play an important role by collecting recyclable plastic from offices and workplaces every day.
Once collected, plastic bottles begin their journey to advanced recycling facilities, where they will be transformed into valuable.
Every day, thousands of tons of used plastic arrive at advanced recycling facilities, where the transformation into new materials begins.
Every day, thousands of tons of used plastic arrive at advanced recycling facilities where the transformation into new materials. Before unloading begins, every truck is carefully weighed and recorded to ensure accurate tracking of incoming. Each shipment is inspected to verify material quality before entering the recycling process.
Every day, thousands of tons of discarded plastic arrive at recycling facilities like this one.
Before recycling can begin, every shipment is carefully inspected. Advanced quality control systems passes inspection. Once the plastic passes inspection, the compressed bales are broken apart and released onto automated conveyor systems.
After inspection, every compressed bale is carefully opened by powerful hydraulic machinery.
After entering the recycling line, the plastic moves through the first sorting stage. Here, the material is organized and prepared for seconds. The recycling process now reaches the screening stage. A rotating trommel drum removes dirt, sand.
Now the real transformation begins. Massive industrial shredders tear thousands of plastic bottles into small flakes every minute.
After shredding, the plastic flakes enter a powerful washing system. High-speed friction and clean water remove nates. Not every type of plastic behaves the same way in water. This separation tank uses density to difflux. After washing, every plastic flake must be completely dried. Powerful centrifugal machines.
Inside the extruder, carefully controlled heat transforms the plastic flakes into a smooth, molten material.
Temperature is. Before the recycled plastic can become a new raw material, it passes through a precision filtration system. Fine
Antigens. The recycling process is almost complete. The cleaned plastic is transformed into small, uniform pellets. These pellets become the raw stations. After production is complete, the recycled pellets are collected and stored before being shipped to manufacturers. These tiny pellets. Every day, thousands of tons of recycled plastic leave facilities like this one and travel to manufacturers around the world.
The journey is complete. What began as discarded plastic has become valuable raw material once again. Before recycled plastic can begin its next journey, every pellet is stored inside massive, sealed silos. Once production begins, the stored pellets are automatically delivered to the manufacturing line. Computer-controlled feeding system. White, clear, blue, green, and black pellets flow continuously across vibrating feeders, sorted by advanced mechanics is complete. Although the recycling process is complete, the journey of this material is only beginning. Millions of recycled pellet production begins. Once production begins, the stored pellets are automatically delivered to the manufacturing line.
Before manufacturing begins, the recycled pellets are blended to create a consistent material. This step helps ensure uniform quality throughout the entire production process. Before entering the manufacturing equipment, the recycled pellets pass through a conditioning system. Carefully controlled temperature and air
in sectional. The conditioned material is delivered into the production hopper, where a steady supply of recycled pellets is maintained. Gravity feeds the recycled pellets into the extruder, where a precision rotating screw begins moving the material.
As the material travels forward, the screw gradually compresses the recycled pellets into a uniform stream. This controlled compression. Inside the extruder, the temperature rises in carefully controlled stages. Instead of heating the material all at once, each section gradually.
With precise control of temperature and pressure, the recycled material is transformed into a smooth, uniform melt. Every product begins with a precision-engineered mold. Before production starts, the mold closes with incredible printly locked. With the mold securely locked, the recycled plastic is injected into every corner of the mold cavity.
Once the mold is completely filled, the plastic begins to cool. Controlled cooling allows the material to harden evenly, creating a strong and accurate final product. After cooling, the mold unlocks and opens with remarkable precision. Inside, a brand new product has taken place. Precision ejector systems remove the finished product without damaging its shape. Every movement is carefully keeps the production lines. Automation keeps the production line moving continuously. High-speed robotic systems transfer for each finished bodies. Every recycled bottle is inspected before leaving the production line. Automated vision systems examine each maintenance. If even the smallest defect is detected, the product is automatically removed from the production line. This continuous inspection maintenance. At this stage, recycled plastic takes on a completely new form. Heated preforms enter precision molds, where tensions and it move healy. Every bottle is tested before it moves forward. Automated pressure testing helps verify that each container produced. While bottles are being produced, matching caps are manufactured on a separate high-speed production line. Every candidates. Recycled plastic is used to manufacture a wide variety of food packaging products. Precision molding technology. Extrusion technology allows recycled plastic to become strong, continuous pipes used in construction, agriculture, and robotics. Recycled plastic can also be transformed into durable sheets and flexible packaging film. These materials are widely bappy lakes. Recycled plastic is transformed into everyday household products used by millions of families. And modern vehicles use recycled plastic in many different components. Precision manufacturing produces lightweight parts. From household appliances to industrial equipment, recycled plastic is used to manufacture precision components that targets. One of the most remarkable transformations happens inside textile factories. Recycled plastic can be converted into strong polyester fibers. After manufacturing, every product enters a fully automated warehouse. Intelligent robotic systems organize. From automated warehouses, recycled plastic products begin a global journey. Advanced transportation doesn't end at the factory. The journey doesn't end at the factory. Recycled plastic becomes part of everyday life. Recycled product. Every recycled product represents a resource recovered instead of wasted. Modern recycling solutions. Every recycled product represents a resource recovered instead of wasted. Modern recycling helps reduce land and paintland. The true value of recycling is not just creating one new product. It is building a continuous cycle where materials remain in use, reducences. Recycling technology continues to evolve through automation, advanced sorting systems, and smarter manufacturing process. It is a continuous commitment to using resources wisely, reducing waste, and giving valuable material. Every bottle, every container, and every recycled pellet represents a newbie plastic is not disposal.